Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to have a look at where we can get icons for our WPF projects. So let's get right into it. So our first place where we're going to go to today is a website called icons8.com/icons. So here we have the page where we can search for the icons. So we can come here and search for maybe like something to do with downloads. For example, you want a download icon, then you just come and search here and just wait for that to load. Okay, right, so all these are icons for downloads. So depending on which type you need for your project, you can go ahead and choose what you want here. So for example, like when you've selected the type you are satisfied with, you just come and click here, then you come and press download. Okay, so when you press download there, so it will give you an option or which type you want. So for example, this is the PNG sizes. So PNG works well with WPF, so maybe you want 50, 100, 200, 500 times 500. You want for Android or perhaps a custom size. So custom size would be like, let's see, 600 by 600. That would be like a custom size. Then that will be available on a premium option there. So if you want to get that on a premium option, you can buy that one for $15. Then we'll go to the next page. So here we're still on icons8.com, but here they have an application which is known as an icon packager. So you can download this one. I have this one here, so you can download this one and use this one offline when you're working on your projects. It will come built in with quite a number of icons that you can use for your WPF project. Then let's go to the next one. So here we have flat icons. So here I was searching for trees. Let's see what we can search for here. You can search for bricks, building blocks. Okay, so let's see what it's going to bring back. So these are the brick icons. So these go according to what theme you are working on for your WPF project. So you can download depending on the visual theme of your project. So you'd like click on one, then it will bring up this window here. Then you can select PNG, SVG, copy SVG, then copy PNG. Then okay, let's do that. Then you can just get the free download, or if you want to go premium, that's 7 euros a month. So you can just get the free download there. Then attribution will be required. So let's see what that attribution has here. Okay, so creating quality icons takes a lot of time and effort. We only ask you to add a small attribution link. Choose the medium which you are going to use the resource. So social networks, web, printed elements, video, apps, and games there, and so forth and so on. Then let's see. Then you simply just copy the link. Then the download will finish there. Then you just add that to your application. Then here we've got free or iconfinder.com. So iconfinder.com. Let's search for downloads. Okay, so these are the icons for downloads here. Let's see, these should be, yeah, these look like they're free. Okay, yeah, so no hidden costs or anything. So I think maybe you can just download that one. Then that starts downloading there. That's iconfinder.com. So there's PNG, SVG, then other formats. Then the maximum is 512 pixels. Then I don't know, okay, there's more sizes there. So this shouldn't be under a hidden cost. This should still be free. Then let's go to one more page. So here it's icons.com. Search for, okay, searching for a house here. So it's icons.com. Just hold on, let me do this. Okay, icons.com, thousands of free icons here. So I entered house there, then we search for that. Okay, then this is what it brings back. This icon looks nice. Let's click on that one. Okay, so we've got 256, 128, 96, 72 pixels, 64, 48, and 32. So we can download according to the size that we want. Let's see if there are any hidden costs here. So, okay, everything is all good. Download should start automatically. If not, click here. So the download has started there. Okay, so let's move to the next website. So this is fontawesome.com / icons. So let's see. We used this one before. Okay, we can search for icons here. Let's see. Let's see. ROCKET. Rocket. Okay, that's what it will bring back. Okay, still loading. But okay, so there were rocket icons. So that one is free. So that is launched. So these I think under hidden cost here. So these are pro. So let's see what else we have here. Okay, let's see. Rocket. Let boat, BOAT, boat. So let's see. Oh, okay. So I have a boat there. Alright, so I think this is much better. Sailboat, a ferry, ship, large ship, an anchor. Okay, let's do this. Let's see this pro icon first. Okay, alright, so then hidden costs. Okay, so this is HTML, SVG. Okay, so alright, okay, so this is only HTML. So what we're looking for, okay, let's see. Okay, let's come here. Icons. FH is a whiteboard, fun dog. Okay, icon categories. Not necessarily. Okay, not necessarily icon categories, but ones which are flexible should be PNG. Okay, let's see here. Okay, design, humanitarian. Okay, let's see this one for coding. Okay, so classic. Okay, I don't see anything here that is for PNG, but okay, let's see. Let's click on this one here. Okay, it's still the same thing, HTML, SVG. Okay, SVG should work well with WPF projects in the thing. So when you click on that one, start using this icon, then enter your email to get started with a free kit. So enter your email address here, then you click this button, then they'll send you the icon and thing like that. Then I think you can also download the, okay, you can also download the entire package. It's like a folder like that, if I remember. So in desktop apps, let's see what this is. Use icons in desktop design programs like Figma, Illustrator, Craft, Nice, looking documents or slides. We've got you covered. Okay, on websites, styling icons, uploading icons with APIs. Let's see this one. Okay, font awesome on the desktop. Whether you're designing in desktop design programs like Figma or Illustrator, or crafting nice looking docs or slides, we've got you covered. Set up on the desktop. Okay, add font awesome icons, scalable vector graphics. Okay, so let's see what's here. download the FontAwesome and desktop files. Check out upgrading on the desktop if you're upgrading from a previous version. Okay, so you click this link. Then what's in the download? Our desktop focus download contains following directories and files: OTFS, SVG, and SVG4. So SVG should work just fine with WPF project. So when you download this one, this is the folder probably you should go to. Then install the ligature based font files. No, this is okay, this is something else, but basically what we need is just these SVGs here, individual optimized s.svg vector files for each icon and FontAwesome separated by style and thing like that. So let's go to another site again. So this is free pick icons /icons. Okay, where's the search bar? Search bar. Okay, so the search bar is here. Let's see, PARTY, party. Okay, so we're searching there. Then okay, so these are some icons they brought back. So let's look at this one here. Are there any hidden costs? Waiting for it to load. Come on. How's my net today? Okay, seems to be okay. Seems to have gone to sleep. Okay, the page is loading. All right, dance generic flat icon. Okay, that's this one here. It's not loading. Maybe you can give it a small nudge. Okay, so there we are. And let's try this one again. Okay, so it has loaded there. So when we click the download here, it will give us SVG and PNG. So in this case, I would recommend to get PNG. This work well for the WPF projects. So click on that one. Then AI icon generator download completed. Your icon is ready to use. Want to refine it further, use the AI icon generator or icon editor. So I can generate the icon there. And just let me close that there. Okay, all right. Okay, I see how this works here. Okay, so that did download. Let me see, did download. Okay, this is there's a hidden cost for the SVG. Let's download another icon. Okay, let's go for this one. So download there. So PNG. So that has downloaded there. Okay, so no hidden cost there. So depending on which icons you want for your projects, you simply just go through this procedure using the search on each and every web page here. So these are the web pages that are found flexible enough, that have icons that can be used with WPF projects and thing like that. So thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos land, and please, then the links for these websites will be in the description section. And like, subscribe and share the video, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos land, and thanks for watching. Peace.